I think that the appetite is still very strong. Vietnam has a very compelling fundamentals, growing tourism, a young population, improving infrastructure, and a very dynamic domestic travel market. What we're seeing is that investors are increasingly viewing Vietnam as one of the key hospitality markets in Southeast Asia, alongside countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore. And as the market matures, there is also much more interested in higher quality developments such as hotels, hospitality, long-term assets. I think the appetite is still going very strong. Vietnam historically has some very compelling fundamentals. Growing tourism, a young population, improving infrastructure, and a very dynamic domestic travel market. Now, what we're seeing is that investors are increasingly viewing Vietnam as one of the key hospitality markets in Southeast Asia, alongside countries such as Thailand, Singapore, Indonesia. And as the market matures, I think there is much more interest in higher quality developments and long-term hospitality assets. Yes, definitely. I think Vietnamese investors today are becoming much more global in their outlook. Many successful entrepreneurs and hospitality operators are looking beyond their home market to diversify their investments. And now we're seeing interest not only in regional markets in Asia, but also in more mature markets such as the United States and Europe, where investors value the transparency of the legal system and the stability of the real estate market. Well, one trend that we're seeing globally is that investors are focusing much more on long-term resilience rather than just short-term returns. Mixed-use developments are becoming a lot more common. Hospitality is integrated with residential, retail, or lifestyle components. So in the end, I think sustainability is also becoming a very important factor, not just environmentally, but also in terms of operational efficiency and long-term asset value.